Alright people, it's Timed Edge here. I'm just doing a quick trade breakdown of something I took today. I posted it on TikTok, but I followed up now on my YouTube channel with a full breakdown. This is bar replay, but you can check the execution on TikTok. So firstly, let's just go to the daily profile. We're bearish for me. This was Tuesday's bar. This is a change of state of delivery. We've clearly closed below that on all assets. And by the way, I always look at free. This is divergence trading, so we measure divergence and correlations between free assets to get sharper entries. So this means I'm looking for sells above the open basically to take out previous day's low. So if we drop down to the 1 hour, let's play price a little bit too far forward. Let me just get rid of all that. Asia expanded. We're playing up into Q standard deviation. We have timed edge onto the chart to make it easier. It segments out our days and quarters. And if you would need to know a little bit more about that, please go and check out my other video on how to use it. So let's break this down. We're closing now above the Q standard deviation level, but it's also coming into 10 AM, which means it's a fresh 6 hour candle. I use that as a higher time frame confluence to me. So when price wicks above, I can use a 1 hour CRT model to trade down to the 50%. So this is exactly this trade, and this is how I got this process. So price wicks above, then close below. That's very important. The wick above, then close below. I know now, once I see that, I can look for a 1 hour CRT model. Let's go down to the M1 time frame, which is my entry time frame on this model. I'm looking for sequential SMT above an old high. So my liquidity pools are going to be resting above that 1 hour CRT high, so above this. That's where all the buy side liquidity is. So in order, and I don't mind if all the assets don't, if one of the assets trades through, that's perfect. Two, that's perfect as well. I have different rules met around when all three break through, but on this occasion it didn't happen anyway, so I'm just going to fast forward price till the entry. So we're looking for one of these highs to get swept. Still hasn't got there yet. Okay, so there we go. We get, excuse me. So there we go. We get the sweep above. If you look on 6B, takes out the buy side liquidity. We get a micro sequential SMT above. And this candle here is also a PSP, precision swing point. And why is that? That's because this is a bullish close candle. This is a bearish close candle. That shows divergence across three pairs. For me, I set a sell stop below that. You'd have to be quick because it's definitely on the 1 minute time frame. So whether you got filled on that exact moment or maybe a little bit lower, but I think my fill was a little bit lower, to be honest. But for the purpose of the video, I'll just put it like that. And my target would be the 1 hour CRT low. It's a nice 7R trade. We know it works out because I posted the video on TikTok. Let's just play price. An hour and a half and you've got 7R. Easy model to remember. One of my favorites actually. So I used it from Romeo, but I've obviously incorporated a lot of Day's teachings as well, and then I've made my own process and my own rules. If you have any questions or would you like to see more breakdowns, please contact me, leave your comments, like and subscribe.